Good morning, everyone. I'm RGB Monteras from STEM 11 Y1-19, and I'm here to discuss to you the conic section circle in pre-calculus. So, let's go.
No? So let's start. Conic section circle. Siyempre, presented by me, RDB Miteras, from STEM 11 Y1-19. Circle, standard form. So, yan po yung center radius form niyan. So, H and K is the point of the center of the circle, wherein H is the x-coordinate of the center point, and K is the y-coordinate of the center point. R represents as the radius of the circle. If the center of the circle is on origin with coordinates of 0 and 0, the equation of the circle simply represents as yan. So, makikita natin yan guys mamaya sa examples natin. So, let's proceed sa examples. Let's go. So, let's start with example number 1. Find the equation of a circle with center at the origin and radius of 5 units. So first, we need to identify the centers po, which is the origin. So pag sinabing origin, nasabi ko po yung kanina sa definitions na yung H and K is 0, kaya nga origin. So nasa gitna po siya ng graph. So sulat na natin siya. And yung R natin, which is 5 units. So we need to use the standard form para ma-substitute natin to. Ayun. So meron na tayong center and radius. Substitute na lang natin siya sa H and K. Yun, so na-substitute na. We need to simplify na lang para makuha natin yung final answer. So since 0 naman to, and then 0 din yung nandito, hindi natin siya kailangan i-multiply. So ganito na mangyayari. X squared plus y squared. Then 5 times 5 is equal to 25. Yan, so that's the final answer for number 1. So sa number 2 naman, ganun lang din, since nasabi ko na yung example number 1. Substitute na lang din hanapin yung center. So the center dito 0, 0, yung H is 0 and yung K is 3. So write the equation of a circle centered at 0 and 3 and with radius 6. So yung radius daw ay 6. So ganito.
And then yung R, which is 6. Yun, so, gagamitin natin ulit yung standard form. Yun, so, meron tayong center at radius ulit. We need to substitute na lang. Yun, so, katulad nung kanina, meron tayong 0 dito. So, alam nyo na yung gagawin nyo. Kapag ganyan, isi-simplify natin siya. X word na lang siya. Since di naman sinusulat yung 0. Then, dito naman, negative times positive is negative. So, y minus 3. Yeah, yan. Then, 6 times 6 is equals to 36. So, that's the final answer. So, let's proceed sa example number 3. Write the equation of a circle centered at 2 and 5 and with radius 10. So, ganun lang identify natin yung center ulit and yung radius. Then yung radius natin na 10. Then, gamitin natin yung standard form. Then, since na may center ulit tayo, yung radius, substitute na lang. And then, simplify. So, katulad ng ginawa natin dito, kanina, negative times positive is equals to negative. So, x minus 2. So, ganun din. Negative plus positive. Pag multiply mo negative, edi y minus 5. And then, 10 times n is equals to 100. So, yun. That's the final answer. So, let's proceed sa activity. So, please answer these 3 questions here. You can pause the video po para masagutan to. Ayan. So, here are the answers. Then, standard form. Again, substitute. Then simplify. So this is the final answer for number 1. For number 2. Again, the standard form. And then substitute. Simplify. 5 times 5 equals 25. That's the final answer for number 2. For number 3 naman. Radius is 5. Then the standard form again. Then substitute. Then simplify. 5 times 5 is 25. Then that's the final answer for number 3. So let's proceed na po sa transforming of standard form to general form.
So, yun. General form naman tayo, no? The general form of equation of the circle is given by ax squared plus cy squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0, where a is equals to c always. General equation of the circle is also always written. The right hand side of the equation is 0, and a, c, d, e, and f are all integers. So, yung formula na yan, guys, magagamit natin yan mamaya pag nag-transform na tayo ng general form to standard form. So, let's go to example.
So this is the example number 1 for transforming the standard form to general form. Express the equation of circle with center at 3 and -4 and radius 5. So, identify lang ulit yung h and k sa radius. Ayun. So, meron na tayong h and k saka r. We need to use the standard form. Then, substitute again tulad ng ginawa natin kanina sa standard form. And then, again, simplify natin tulad ng kanina. So, yun, na-simplify na natin. So, kung tandaan nyo pa nung grade 9, nagpo-FOIL method tayo. So, i-FOIL method natin to. Saka ito. Para makuha tong ganitong equation. So, yan. Nakuha na natin, no? So, add na lang natin tong dalawa na to. Since pareho naman sila ng variable. Ayan, no? So, date. Wait lang, ba't 0? 25 to. Sorry. So, 25 yan. Then, yun. So, kapag ganyan, operate the light terms lang. Kung baka i-arrange mo na siya sa tama. Ganun. Yan. So, naka-arrange na siya. Ang gagawin na lang natin is transpose yung 25. Yan. Transpose natin. Ayun. So, ayun. Naging minus 25 siya kasi. Positive siya, no? Nilipat siya dito. Sa side na to. So, wala na tayong ibang gagawin kasi wala na katulad tong x and then wala na rin katulad tong y na ano. So, add na lang natin tong tatlo. So, 9 plus 16 minus 25 is 0. So, this is the final answer. Yun. So, let's proceed to example number 2. So, this is the number 2. Express the equation of a circle with center at -2 and 3 and with radius 2. So, again, ito itong ginawa natin kanina. Find the x and k sa radius. So, yun. Since hanap na natin ulit yung h and k sa r, we need to use the standard form. Ayun. So, substitute ulit. Ayun. After ng substitute, siyempre, simplify. Two times 2 is 4. So, yun. Tulad ng ginawa natin kanina sa first example, parang ipo-FOIL method natin to. Itong dalawa. Kumbaga, nagmano-mano ka lang, ganun. So, let's go. Ayun. So, again, add natin to. Since, pareho naman siya ng variable. So, arrange natin siya sa tama. Tulad ng ginawa natin sa first example. Ayun. So, na-arrange na natin siya. And then, transpose natin to. Itong 4. So, naging minus 4 siya. Kasi, positive siya bago siya ilipat. So, ayun. Wala na ulit tayong ibang gagawin. Kundi i-add na lang natin itong tatlo. 4 plus 9 minus 4 is 9. So, yun. Sulat na natin.
Yun. So, that's the final answer. So, let's proceed sa example number 3. So, we have the example number 3. Express the equation of the circle with center is at the origin and a radius of 5 units. So, again, hanapin natin ulit yung H and K sa R. Ayan. So, hanap na natin. We need to use the standard. Then, substitute. Ayan na. So, since origin siya, pares lang 0. So, tulad ng ginawa natin kanina sa standard form, simplify natin siya bilang x squared sa y squared. Since 0 naman siya, hindi siya sinusulat. And then, 5 times y equals to 25. So, yan. Ang gagawin natin dito, para maging general form siya, is transpose lang natin to. Ayan. So, that's the final answer for number 3. Naging minus 25 siya kasi positive siya bago siya ilipat. So, ganun lang. So, let's proceed sa activity niya. So, here's the number 1. You can pause the video po para sagutan to. And no, thank you sa nagsak. So, here's the answer po. Yun, so meron na tayong H, K, and R. So, we need to use the standard form. And then substitute. You know, and then simplify. So, tulad ng kanina, pag nag-while method ka, ganito yung lalabas. Ayun no. So, add natin to ulit.
Ayan, no? So, arrange natin siya ulit sa tama nilang posisyon. So, yun. Transpose natin yung 25. And then, yun. So, 16 plus 25 minus 25 is simply 16. So, sulat natin. So, that's the final answer for number 1. Proceed naman tayo sa activity number 2. Ayan, no? So, here's the number 2. You can pause the video po para sagutan to. Ayan, no? So, thank you sa nagsagot. Here's the answer po. Since meron tayo H, K, and R, need to use the standard form again. Then substitute. And then simplify. So, 10 times 10 is simply 100. And then, tulad ng ginawa natin kanina, sa activity number 1 nyo, FOIL method. So, alam nyo na yan. So, again, add lang natin itong dalawa. It's para sa ng variables. So, ayun, nakuha na natin, no? Find the lightest terms lang. Arrange ulit natin siya sa tama nitong posisyon. Ayun, no? So, na-arrange na natin siya. Kulang pa. Palagi huwag kakalimutan ng dulo, guys. So, yun. Ulit, transpose ulit natin yung 100.
So, yun. Gawin natin dito. Add is 4 plus 25 minus 100. Simply negative 71. So, that's the final answer for number 2. So, let's proceed naman sa example or sa activity pala. Yung number 3. Let's go. Ayan no. So, meron na tayong example number 3. So, you can pause ulit the video po para sagutan tayo. Ayan. So, thank you sa nagsagot. And here's the answer. So, meron tayong HK R. Need to use the standard form. Then, substitute natin itong yun, no? And then simplify. Ayun. So, nasimplify na natin. Tutong gawain natin, FOIL method again. Ayun. So, add lang natin to. Para ulit sila ng variables. So, again, operate the light terms. I-arrange natin sila sa tama nilang dapat na posisyon. Ayun, no? So, naayos na natin. And then, transpose yung 16. Ayun. So, hindi minus 16 yun siya kasi positive siya bago siya ilipat. So, add natin itong tatlo para matapos and makuha na natin yung last na sagot. Then, 9 plus 25 minus 16 is simply equals 18. So, sulat natin. Yun. So that's the final answer for your activity. And last number. Yan, no? So, thank you sa nagsagot. Let's proceed naman sa transforming of general form to standard form naman. So, yan.
So, we have here the example number 1 for general form standard form to standard form, I mean. Then, first, sulat mo muna yung given na formula. Yan, no? So, pati formula ng R. Yan. So, i-identify nyo lang kung ano yung D and E dito sa equation na to. So, A, C, D, E, F. Yung given po doon sa binasa ko na definition kanina. So, yan. Substitute nyo lang. 2 divided by negative 2. So, wala namang A dito. Kasi 1. Hindi na sinusulat yung 1. So, equals negative 1. Ganoon din sa K. Since positive to, 8 by 2. So, ganun din pala dito sa taas. Positive pala. So, yun. This is equals to negative 4. So, finding the R naman tayo. Substitute lang natin. Ayan, no? And then, simplify. And then, add na lang. Ayan, no? So, meron tayong R, H, and K. So, gamitin natin palagi yung standard form, which is H minus K yeah. And then, substitute mo lang kasi meron ka ng H, K, and R. Yan, no? And then, simplify para makuha yung final answer. $64. So, yan yung final answer natin. Example number 1. Yan, no? then proceed na tayo sa example number 2. Ito. So, transform daw natin to ulit sa standard form. So, ganun lang. Identify lang natin yung DE para makuha yung HNK natin. So, yan. Sulat muna natin yung formula natin. And then, substitute sa formula para makuha yung HNK. Is equals to 3 since parang negative to. Positive yung lalabas sa sagot. Equals negative 4. Ayun no. So, may HNK na tayo. So, R naman. So, makikita nyo, wala siyang F. Kaya, 0 yung nilagay natin sa equation. And then, simplify lang natin. Since hindi na sinusulat yung 0, so matitira na lang ito. Naka-squared. So, 9 plus 16 is equals to 25. Ayun no. So, may H, K, and R na tayo. So, substitute na lang natin siya sa standard form. And then, simplify para makuha yung final answer. Equals 25. So, here's the final answer po. Example number 2 natin. So, number 3 naman po. Proceed na tayo. Ayun no. So, meron tayong number 3. Example dito. Again, sulat natin ulit yung formula na given. Ayun no. So, identify natin ulit kung ano yung D dito and kung ano yung E. So, substitute natin kung ano yung nakita natin na D. Equals negative 1. And then sa K. Equals positive 2. No? So, R na lang ang hanapin natin. So, 59 plus 1 plus 4 is 64. And so, meron na tayong H, K, and R. So, substitute na lang natin siya sa standard form. Ayan o. So, substitute. And then, simplify natin siya para makuha na natin yung final answer. Ayun. So, that's the final answer for example number 3. Then, let's proceed na po sa activity, which is try nyo naman kung kaya nyo sagutan. Let's go. So, here's the activity number 1 and number 1. So, you can pause the video po to answer this. Ayun no. So, thank you sa nagsagot no. So, here's the answer po. So, that's the final answer po sa exam sa number 1 natin sa activity. So, let's proceed to number 2. Ayun no. So, you can pause the video po to answer this. Ayun no. So, thank you sa nagsagot no. Here's the answer po. So, if you get the correct answer, then that's nice. At least natututo po kayo. Tulad nung kanina po, identify natin yung 8 dito. Ay, yung D dito, which is yung 8, and then yung E, which is 10. So, divide, because then 16, which is yung F, and then ayun, then simplify, add, and then 25. So substitute the standard form, substitute, simplify, and then the final answer. So yun, let's proceed sa number 3. Ayun no, so may number 3 na tayo. You can pause the video to answer this din po. Ayun no, so thank you sa nagsagot. So here's the answer po for number 3. Ayun no, so thank you lang. Thank you po sa mga nagsagot. So yun. So that's all for today. Again, I'm RJB Monteras from STEM 11Y1-19, and Paul R. Halmo said that the only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. So that's all for today. Thank you. Thank you for listening.